Hi, I'm Dave Lark, co-inventor of the RinGenie. Today I'm here to demonstrate the many uses of this innovative tool. As an engraver and a jeweler myself, I can honestly say the RinGenie has made such a difference in my own work. It's faster, more precise, and I don't know how any jeweler can live without it. So let's take a look. Everything you need for the RinGenie is conveniently housed here inside. Here we have the RinGenie body, made of aircraft quality aluminum, all hard-cold anodized for wear resistance. We have stainless steel spindles, the brass drag screw, the hardened drill bushing, the top pointer, the mill drill layout assembly tool, the alignment disc, and the tightening rods. We have 24 collets, 8 nylon, 16 aluminum, ranging from 12.5 down to 5. Assembling the RinGenie is easy. Insert the drag adjustment screw into the body of the RinGenie and tighten. Next, insert the top pointer by first loosening the spindle, then sliding the top pointer into place along the groove on top. The RinGenie is then ready to be mounted. There are several mounting surfaces, including flat, 45-degree angle, and radius. For most applications, mounting on the flat surface is the best option. Mounting along the 45-degree surface on either side provides new angles to access different parts of the ring. Mounting along the radius allows for even greater flexibility at any angle you choose. I've chosen the proper collet for the ring size. I'm going to slide the ring on the collet, put it on the RinGenie, hand snug, grab my alignment disc, slide my alignment disc over the spindle, push the alignment disc up against the collet, snug the ring up against the disc, pull the disc, snug using the tightening rods. We have several ways of laying this ring out. We have a 6-degree vernier scale. We have the 10-degree detent on this side and a 15 on this. Using the 6-degree, snug, bring it up, make my mark, loosen, 1/2, 6-degree, make my mark. Go one more, 1/2, 6-degree, make my mark. Now I'll show you how to engage the 10-degree scale. I'll start by tightening the detent on the left side until snug. It is now engaged, and each turn of the spindle will produce an audible clicking sound to signal a complete 10-degree rotation. I'll tighten the detent on the right to engage the 15-degree scale. As I turn and scribe in 15-degree increments, it's also marked with an audible click like the 10-degree scale. Here we have the mill drill layout assembly tool. It sits on a dovetail slide. It's got a vernier scale, 1 millimeter increments. So here we have the alignment pins, which align with the RinGenie body. Comes up, slides, tighten down with a lock screw. Pull up. There we are with the spring plunger. Using the slide and the spring plunger, we're going to use this to align the ring. We'll just push the spring plunger down and tighten the slide, and then we'll just spin the ring and it'll self-align. And then we pump up and hand tighten. And then we take the tightening rods and snug. Now I'll use the mill drill layout assembly to make a wheat leaf pattern on this brass ring. After quickly and easily scribing the right border, I'll use the spring plunger to scribe the left border, much faster and more accurately than ever before. I'm going with 10-degree increments for my wheat leaf pattern, so I'll simply tighten the left detent and get the mill drill layout assembly tool into position for scribing. Using the spring plunger, I can quickly and effectively make left to right hash marks with each clicking turn of the spindle. Once I've come full circle, I remove the dovetail assembly to scribe the curves of the wheat leaf pattern by hand. I'm able to cut the border by simply rotating the spindle, which gives me so much more control than conventional methods. I repeat the process with a border on the other side. When cutting the arcs of the wheat leaf pattern, I'm able to rotate the spindle and turn the vise at the same time, enabling me to cut a smoother pattern more effortlessly. Using a stainless steel ring, I begin by cutting the teeth in the groove to prepare the ring for a copper inlay. Again, the RinGenie makes every step of the process quicker and easier. Because the RinGenie allows you to rotate the ring non-stop for 360 degrees while working on one area under the scope, it saves time and allows you to be more productive. With the extra time, you'll be able to produce more rings like this. To start a milling or drilling operation, I'll first need to remove the spring plunger. I'm going to replace it with a 3/32 drill guide and tighten it down, leaving a little space between it and the ring. Extremely precise milling is a breeze, rotating the spindle until it comes full circle. Drill faster and more accurately with the RinGenie. Set the spindle to turn at 15 degrees, 10 degrees, 6 degrees, or any number higher or lower, and drill away with complete precision. Now we have wax. We will now follow Ken of Old Way Heirloom Designs as he walks us through each step of the diamond setting process. Here Ken uses the RinGenie to set a larger diamond.
I've been in the jewelry business now almost 30 years. Used the RinGenie the last 2 of those years. And I can tell you for many applications in this business, it's an invaluable tool. It's great for layout, stone setting, engraving, just all the applications you're going to encounter. And I highly recommend it to anybody in the business and couldn't go back to doing things the way I used to.
For more information about the amazing RinGenie, visit RinGenie.com. The RinGenie, making jewelers' wishes come true.